Everyone keeps telling you AI is going to take your job, your creativity, your career, your relevance. I used to believe that too. Then I actually sat down and used these tools instead of just being scared of them. And I realized something nobody's telling you. AI isn't replacing the person who uses it. It's replacing the person who refuses to. Let me show you what I mean. Here's the honest version of the fear. It's not really AI will take my job. It's I've spent years building a skill, and now a tool can do in seconds what took me hours. So, was any of it worth it? That fear is real. I'm not going to pretend it isn't. But here's the reframe that changed everything for me. A camera didn't replace painters. It replaced illustrators whose only job was literal reproduction. The painters who survived, the ones who thrived, were the ones who asked, okay, what can I do now that I couldn't do before? Generative AI is the camera moment for basically everyone. Writers, marketers, filmmakers, designers, coaches, solopreneurs. The tool doesn't erase your taste, your voice, your judgment, or your ideas. It removes the bottleneck between having an idea and putting it in front of people. Let me actually show you instead of just talking about it. First, image and content generation. Tools like this let you go from a text prompt to a finished visual in seconds. Gesture to screen, product shots, thumbnails, character concepts, backgrounds for your reels. Stuff that used to require a studio, a camera, and a full afternoon now takes one sentence and a few tries. This is a completely AI-generated headshot. No camera, no studio lighting, no model on a retainer. 5 years ago, this would have cost a brand thousands of dollars and a full production day. Today, it's a starting point you can generate in under a minute. And then you, the human, decide, does this fit my brand? Does this match my story? That decision, that's the part AI can't do for you. Second, video and avatar tools. You can now generate talking avatars, B-roll, even full short-form edits from a script. If you're camera shy, if English isn't your first language, if you don't have a film crew, this closes the gap between I have something to say and I have something to post. Third, ideation and scripting. The blank page is the actual enemy of most creators, not AI. These tools give you a rough draft to react to. You're not outsourcing your voice, you're outsourcing the staring at nothing part. None of this replaces judgment, taste, or lived experience. It replaces friction. Here's the shift that actually matters. Stop asking, will AI replace me? And start asking, what would I build if creation was basically free? Because that's where we are. The cost of making something, a video, a graphic, a product mock-up, a first draft, has collapsed. What hasn't collapsed is the cost of having something worth making. Your perspective, your story, your weird specific point of view that nobody else has. If you've ever had an idea and shelved it because you didn't have the time, the budget, the crew, or the skills, that excuse is mostly gone now. The gap between idea and execution has never been smaller. That's not a threat. That's the biggest opportunity creators have had in a decade. So here's what I want you to do this week. Not learn AI, that's too vague and it won't stick. Pick one piece of content you've been putting off. A video idea, a graphic, a product photo, a script. Use one AI tool to get a rough version done in the next 30 minutes. Not perfect, just done. Then look at it and ask, what did I add? What did my taste change? That's your answer to the fear. You'll see in real time that the tool did the heavy lifting, but you're still the one who made it yours. AI isn't going to replace the people who show up, adapt, and use these tools to say what they actually want to say. It's going to replace the people who wait too long to start. Don't wait. Start building the thing you keep putting off. You finally have the tools to do it fast. If this helped, let's help you to get started. Find out more on how to actually use AI using openart.ai.